Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on the guitar, so let's get started. Alright, so for this song, we're going to be using a total of 4 chords. First chord that we're going to use is C and D minor, B flat. You can also play it like this, and then F. Also can do like this. First so C, D minor, B flat, F. Alright, so the strum pattern in here, you're basically following the bass to it, so it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Starting from the C, it goes down, tap, down, tap, down, tap, down, on the D minor. So, and then to the B flat, it goes down, then down. That one's a little tricky. You can go down, up, down, up, down, and into the C. Okay, so I'm gonna just keep playing it, and you guys can try to follow along with it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. An easier way to play the song, you don't have to really do all those changes. You can do this. You can stay on this. That's just another easier way that you can play this song. Alright, so now I'll have the little play along up to the chorus. You guys can follow along. I have the chords and the lyrics on the screen. Thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and check out my new free ukulele course. You can check out the links down below to get that. Alright, see you guys in the next video.